Okay, I have to tell you, I'm scared. I'm scared that I'm going to go too far, get too detailed with this part of the painting, and lose the feeling of freshness, lose the feeling of immediacy that I had in my study. So I actually am going a little bit slower on this than I did on my more important lilacs over here, simply because I don't want to overdo it. It's easier to just completely render it out, paint exactly what's up there. And in essence, you don't really have to think about it if you do that. Paint what's there, paint it exactly like that without thinking of any kind of stylistic element. But I'm never that satisfied if I just go, oh, there's another petal, I'll paint that. Okay, there we go. I'll wait a few weeks, I'll varnish, I'll pick out a nice frame, and then I'll send it on its way.